Actually, I'm Danny from Pantac Gear, and you can see this is our new, it's coming new color product line. Yeah, it's from Cryptac. You can see the white one, and also the black one, Typhoon, Cryptac, and also there's a camo, and also you can see we have ATAC, AU here, ATAC FG, and we have some interesting product is a tactical apron, and also there's some kind of AOR2 woodland digital camo, and also the orange one for the the rescue or firefighters, emergency service. And okay, let's show you our latest vest system, quick release system. Maybe you can show us. Yeah, I have the microphone on me. I'm sorry. 就一个就好了。Okay, this is a quick release system. Pay attention to it. Usually, ordinary, when we use the release vest, we have to pull the wire quite far away. But look at this. So it's easy to tear apart. And the most important thing is you can put it back in 1 minute. Not like the traditional Cirrus or RAV, you need 15 minutes to wire it up, to put it back together. It's really simple, easy. Okay, this is our latest quick release vest, and also this is a this one is a low profile quick deployment attack backpack. Let's ask this gentleman to show you this. 站出来能看到的地方。Come forward. 找一个空的地方。So it looks like a backpack, but okay, go ahead.
It's an impact.
Here.
Pressure of the gas on here, and then you can shake it. You won't go, but you drop it just an inch. Just that shake will take that. See that big piece there? Will break the chain of those boards and goes off. You throw it into a tree or a wall or the ground, and then out come 200 BBs. Because the BBs are coming out like this, it spins. So everybody in a 10 meter by 10 meter room gets hit, and it's quite a hard hit. You're going 140 feet per second.
So you can see it's a concealed carry weapon. It's a backpack vest actually. So it's really good for concealed covert operation for the law enforcement. It's a really good thing. So it's easy. When you finish your job, just take it apart.
Yeah, it's really. Carl is our designer.
Okay, that's it. And also this one.
There's 70-year-olds.
So this one is actually our camera bag for snipers or recon units. You can see here in the back. You can put a camera inside, or rangefinder, or laser pointer, or your other video equipment or something, a big scope inside for sniper. And also this is an independent module for, it's a rifle rest. So to hold your rifle on between here or just any way you want. So usually the camera is put in this way. Here is a case compartment for your camera. You can put your camera right inside. It's easy to access, well padded to protect the camera. So that's the 3 new product. Thank you.